In this help video, I'd like to look at working with tabs for charts and scanners. So first, let's connect to a data feed. I'm actually going to connect to IQ feed because that's one I've got set up there already. And let's now add a new chart. To do this, we can do it very easily off the new chart icon at the top. And now let's say do a chart. As you type into the symbol, it then comes in and gives you a drop down of all the items as you type on that particular letters based in our MTPredictor symbol manager. So I'm going to click on the es.d because that's the day session one I want. You can also tick that tick box there and then load in a symbol for a specific data provider. In other words, if you're using IQ feed, you can put in the IQ feed symbol for whatever market you wish, tick that, and then that will load that symbol direct. I'm just going to do a 3-minute chart. I'm going to leave it as regular trading hours. I'm going to choose my month and my year, do OK, and you can see it opens a tab up and then places the information in there as well. If you wanted to load a new chart, a second one, let's just do it very, very quickly. And as you can see, it's created a new tab there with the charts all coming in as separate tabs. If I wanted to create a scanner, let's do a new scanner. And just very quickly, there's other videos on using and creating the scanner items as well, but I'm just going to very quickly do a scanner. And there it is there as well. You see the scanner comes in on the right hand side, and what's very neat on this is you can do this auto hide, which is very neat indeed, because then when you put your mouse over it, can you see how it just pops out again? If you have your mouse over the chart, it disappears. If you have your mouse over the scanner, it comes out there as well. But I'm just going to pop it back to be a proper tab. Now the beauty of these tabs is you can grab and drag them however you wish. So I'm going to grab my scanner. You have items here that allow you to decide where they're going. So I can now put that scanner at the top, or I can grab and drag it and put it in the middle, and then that comes up as a separate tab. These tabs you can grab and then position them as you wish. So I'm going to position that on the right hand side. Now you have tabs here. You have your scanner tab there. This tab you can then grab and drag down there. And can you see how you can start to build a layout exactly as you wish? You can grab and drag these and move these around. So it's very versatile in the way that you can grab and drag individual tabs around and put them exactly as you wish. You can also have the tab as a floating window. Can you see that? That particular chart tab, I'm just going to minimize that, not minimize it, I'm just going to have it like that. And you can then grab and drag that as a pure floating window, so I can drag that off to a separate monitor if I wish as well. Whoops, I didn't mean to put it back into there. You can also minimize that chart separately as well. So I'm minimizing that down to the taskbar. I'm then maximizing or bring it back up. I can then also maximize it. That's sorry, go on full screen there, which is bigger than the video. I can then bring it back to the size I wish. So you can float these around as you wish as well. Or you can then bring it back into that particular tab place there, or say on this right hand side here as well, and therefore you have the tabs separated like that. So as you can see, it's very versatile in the ways that you can basically have your scanners and your charts all in different tabs and laid out exactly the way you wish. If you go to the Windows option here, these are what are defined as tab charts. If you wish, you can actually have them as the old-fashioned standard charts, in which you can tile them horizontally, you tile them vertically, and this is the old way that you'll probably be used to if you used computers many years ago. But most people nowadays have them as tabbed items, as we've seen here, and once they're tabbed, you can then grab and drag and move them around exactly as you wish to create whatever kind of layout. I won't say layout because that's specific to something that we'll come on to in a separate video, but whatever pattern you wish to have these particular tabs in. As you can see, very versatile indeed, and once you've got that as you wish, all these are then saved in a workspace. If I look down the bottom here, you can see it says default 4, so all these are in a separate workspace. And what I'll do in a minute is show you how you can open another workspace and then start to do exactly the same with a second workspace down the bottom here.